Triangles. This is the third module under this chapter, triangles. In the previous module, we discussed about the three criteria for two triangles to be similar. The first one is AAA, angle, 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 where the three corresponding angles in two triangles are equal and hence triangles are similar. Second one is side, side, side. Here the ratio of the corresponding sides of two triangles are equal, then the triangles are similar. Third one, side, angle, side. Here the ratio of the two corresponding sides of the triangles are equal and the included angles are equal. In this module we are going to solve some problems on these three criteria. First exercise, in the given figure, QR by QS, QR by QS equal to QT by PR and angle 1 and 2 are equal. Show that triangle PQS and TQR are similar. So what is given? Given is QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. This is one parameter. Another one is angle 1 equal to angle 2. Now since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, now PQR is an isosceles triangle. Therefore PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Now from this we have QR by QS equal to QT by PR. Now let us replace PR with the PQ. So we have QR divided by QS equal to QT divided by, instead of PR I am going to PQ. Now in triangle PQS and triangle TQR we have angle Q is common, and then QR by QS equal to QT by PQ or QP. So this is QR by QS equal to QT by PQ or QP. Therefore triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So what is the criteria? It is side, angle, side. Yes criteria. Exercise 2. In the given figure, altitude AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect at the point P. This is the point P. Now show that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP, triangle ABD is similar to CBE, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB, triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Let us take one by one. First one. What is given is here AD and CE are altitudes. We need to prove in the first one triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Triangle AEP, this triangle, and CDP. In these two triangles, angle AEP is this angle AEP, that is equal to this angle, this CDP. Angle CDP, the reason is both are 90 degree. Then angle APE is equal to CPD. Angle APE equal to angle CPD. These are vertically opposite angles VOA. Therefore, angle PAE, this is a third angle, is equal to angle PCD. If two corresponding angles are equal in two triangles, then the third set of angles are also equal. So PAE equal to PCD. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Here all three sets of angles are equal, so the criteria is A. Second one we need to prove now. Here triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. So now I have copied the same figure here down. Triangle ABD, this triangle is similar to CBE, this triangle and this triangle. These two triangles are similar. We need to prove that. Now in both the cases, this angle B in between, that is common. So angle B is common. Then you know here angle D and here angle E, these two are 90 degrees. So we'll mention here as angle BDA equal to angle BEC, this is 90 degree. Therefore what we have is angle BAD equal to angle BCE. Same condition here. If two corresponding angles in two triangles are equal, third set of angles are also equal. Therefore triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE, here also the criteria is same, angle. Now the third proof here, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. AEP similar to ADB. Here angle AEP equal to angle ADB because 90 degree. Then angle PAE is equal to angle BAD. PAE equal to BAD. both, that is the same angle, both are referring to the same angle. Therefore angle, the third angle, angle EPA is equal to angle DBA. Two sets of angles are equal, so third set is also equal. Therefore triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. This is the third. Fourth one. Fourth one says triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Triangle BEC. PDC, this triangle equal to BEC. Angle PDC equal to angle BEC. Both are 90 degree. Therefore angle CPD equal to angle CBE. Two sets of angles are equal, so third set are also equal. Therefore triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Criteria here also A. Third exercise. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. ABCD is a parallelogram, so AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. E is a point on the side AD is produced here. This is the point E. I am joining now BE. BE cuts CD at F. Now show that triangle ABE is similar to CFB. These two triangles. So what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram. That is given. To prove what? To prove triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Now in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A equal to angle C. That is opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Then angle BEA equal to angle FBC. Angle BEA equal to angle FBC. How it is? BC parallel to AE and these are alternate angles. Angle ABE equal to angle CFB, that is this angle is equal to this angle. Angle ABE equal to angle CFB. ABE equal to CFB. Therefore, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. It is angle criteria. Next exercise. Side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides PQ, QR and PM of triangle PQR as shown in the figure. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So what is given here is AB by PQ, AB by PQ, that is equal to BC by QR, that is equal to proportion to the sides, and the median is AD by PM. We need to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. We know from what is given, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. Now AD and PM are the medians. That means D is the midpoint. So BD equal to DC and QM equal to MR. I can write BC as 2BD and QR as 2QM. So AB by PQ equal to BC. BC is 2BD divided by 2QM is equal to AD by PM. 2 cancels. Now if you consider triangle ABD and PQM, we have AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, that is equal to AD by PM. Therefore we have triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. ABD similar to triangle PQM. Criteria here is side, side, side. The ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Therefore, angle B equal to angle Q. From what is given, we have AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So in these two triangles ABC and PQR, angle B equal to angle Q. Now AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Criteria is side, angle, side. Angle B equal to Q, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Fifth exercise. sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to PQ and PR and the median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So what is given here? Let us first write what is given here. Given AB by PQ equal to AC by PR that is equal to AD by PM. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Now let us do some construction here. Extend AD such that AD equal to DE. Extend PM such that PM equal to MN. Now join BE and CE and also QN and RN. Now in this quadrilateral ABEC, D is the median, therefore BD equal to DC. We have extended AD such that AD equal to DE. So AD equal to DE. Therefore, quadrilateral ABEC is a parallelogram. Reason is diagonals bisect each other. Same way, quadrilateral PQNR is a parallelogram because diagonals bisect each other. From what is given, we have AB by PQ equal to AC by PR, that is equal to AD by PM. Now let me write this as AB by PQ is equal to AC equal to BE equal to AC because opposite sides of a parallelogram. So instead of AC I will write BE here, and PR, this is PR, and QN equal to PR, here also opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. So this is QN here instead of PR, that is equal to AD. AD I will write it as half of AE divided by half of PN. These two halves will cancel each other. Now we have AB by PQ equal to BE by QN equal to AE by PN. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle PQN. This is by criteria side. The corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, the corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle BAE equal to angle QPN. Let me write this as 1. In a similar way, we can prove that triangle ACE similar to triangle PRN. If these two triangles are similar, then we have angle CAE equal to angle RPN. Let me write this as 2. Now if you add 1 and 2, 1 plus 2, we have angle BAE plus angle CAE equal to angle QPN plus angle RPN. Now BAE plus CAE, BAE plus CAE is nothing but angle A. This is angle A, that is equal to, this is QPN and RPN, that is nothing but angle P. So now we have angle A equal to angle P, but from what is given, we have AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. So in these two triangles, ratio of these two sides AB by PQ equal to AC by PR, and included angles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This criteria is SAS, side angle side. The last exercise, number 6. If AD and PM are the medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. What is given here is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and AD and PM are medians. To prove AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. Now D is the midpoint, AD is the median, so D is the midpoint, and here also M is the midpoint because PM is the median. I can write BC as 2BD and QR as 2QM, because BD equal to DC, QM equal to MR. Since two triangles PQR, ABC and PQ are similar, we have AB by PQ equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. I can write this as AB by PQ equal to BC. BC I will write as 2BD divided by QR, I will write as 2QM, and this will be as it is, AC by PR. Then 2 will cancel, and here we have AB by PQ equal to BD by QM, that is AB by PQ is equal to BD BD by QM. That means the ratio of these two sides AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Now since these two triangles are similar, we have angle B equal to angle Q. Therefore, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we have angle B equal to angle Q and AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Yes criteria. Since these two triangles are similar, we have AB by PQ equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. If you take these two, AB by PQ equal to AD by PM, that is the required proof. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM.